Big news for drone fans. Fresh leaks about the DJI Air 4 have surfaced. And if they're legit, this could be a game changer for the Air series. We're talking design tweaks, upgraded camera tech, and major flight performance improvements. Rumors even suggest the Air 4 might borrow some high-end features from the upcoming Mavic 4, making it a more powerful and refined drone than ever. While nothing is confirmed yet, there's plenty to break down. So let's jump in and see what DJI might have in store. The most significant leak to date comes from none other than drone industry insider Jasper Ellens, who recently shared an image of what seems to be a crash prototype of the DJI Air 4. This provides us with our first real glimpse of DJI's latest developments. From the leaked image, the design of the top cover appears similar to its predecessor, but there are notable changes. For one, the prototype includes two distinct sensors and an LED beacon, which aligns with features we're expecting to see on the upcoming Mavic 4. This suggests DJI could be moving towards a more unified sensor design across its drone lineup. What's truly intriguing, though, is the upgraded LiDAR sensor array at the front of the drone. This could indicate significant improvements in obstacle detection and enhanced night flying capabilities, an essential upgrade for pilots who prefer to fly in low-light conditions. Another noteworthy change is the appearance of stronger, more durable arms compared to the Air 3, potentially improving the drone's stability and overall resilience. However, as Jasper mentions, this may not be the final design. Perhaps the most surprising development is DJI's possible departure from wide-angle sensors on the front corners. If this holds true, it marks a major shift in their approach to obstacle avoidance. Instead of relying on multiple wide-angle sensors, DJI might be embracing LiDAR-based technology, offering more accurate and reliable obstacle detection, particularly in low-light situations. But, of course, we'll need to wait for real-world testing to see how well it works. In addition to Jasper's revelations, another well-known leaker, Quadro News, recently shared a mysterious image showing a drone positioned atop what seems to be the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. While there's no official confirmation, some believe this could be a glimpse of the DJI Air 4, or possibly even the Mini 5. The timing of these leaks suggests DJI could be testing prototypes, meaning a release could be sooner than we think. While leaks provide us with a partial picture, several reliable spec predictions for the Air 4 are already circulating. One of the most exciting is the potential inclusion of dual 1-inch cameras. This would represent a significant upgrade over the Air 3, improving both low-light performance and overall image quality, features that could make the Air 4 a standout in its category. If the rumors about a variable aperture are accurate, the DJI Air 4 could offer much better exposure control, allowing for more cinematic shots. The ability to shoot 4K at higher frame rates seems like a natural progression, potentially accompanied by an improved dynamic range and richer color profiles. Some insiders even suggest a mechanical shutter could be added to reduce motion distortion, a feature that would be highly valued by professionals. Safety-wise, the Air 4 might come with 360 degrees obstacle detection, powered by LiDAR technology, making it one of the most advanced collision avoidance systems in the Air series. Battery life could see a significant boost as well, with reports indicating a flight time of up to 50 minutes, surpassing the Air 3's already impressive 46 minutes. Additionally, DJI's ongoing improvements to their OcuSync transmission technology should result in better connectivity and more reliable tracking. As for when we might see the Air 4, leaks suggest that late 2025 is the most realistic time frame. DJI typically follows a 2-year upgrade cycle for the Air series, so this timing lines up with their usual strategy. The price is expected to stay close to the Air 3's $1,199 launch price, though an increase could be possible if DJI adds high-end features. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Air 4 could be a game-changer in the drone market, bringing top-tier features like a redesigned sensor array, improved obstacle avoidance, and longer battery life to the Air series. However, keep in mind that DJI is known to make changes before an official release. So while the leaks are exciting, it's best to remain cautious until we have official confirmation. What do you think of the Air 4 leaks? Are the rumored upgrades enough to convince you to upgrade from the Air 3? Let us know in the comments.